What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Keyboard Sorkar Meghalaya Assam hakakhandai terik risau, kila pynjari da korphiw miet thain khappud jong kasnong Lapangap, hadin bakalami kejing kan art kabajur hapadeng kipat karbi bat kipenar, kabalalam sya kejing yap jong wei ukarbi bat kejing mensau ya bungut ki wei pat. Une ukarbi ubalayap udei ubalatip kerteng kum u orival timong ba saupusan senamerta. Ha kabaya kamet jong u lapen kitno sya hamren ban le ya ka postmortem. Ha kedi kejing ja katto kat nengut ki pulit bat kinong syong shnong ru kilangat ha kejing mensau. U sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubakmi ikatanat kampo ying ubak Preston Tensong. Ula penti kena ya kini kejing ja da kabaong bakalawan jawat hadian kejing persyang da kibor pulit ka Meghalaya bat Assam ban penek ya kejing suk. Katkum kejing ong jong ubak Preston kini kejing ja kalawan ja hadian bala ailat ya kinong syong shnong ka Lapangap bakin lej od ya ukubana ki pentor jongki hapok kejing kemi jongki pulit. Henry kekenhun na keliang ki karbi kalawan poi hakini kejaka bat kabalalam sya kejing ya le mar keliang bat kabalawan ra ya kejing yap jong wei ukarbi. Kenang ban penti kena ban penek ya ka syong suk syong shengan bat ban tem ya kejing ya kan at kabala ban nangjut na keliang ke Sorkar kalarai ban pynjari da ke korphiw miet ha kasnong Lapangap. Ngalayok ru ya kejing tip bawat na keliang ke Sorkar Assam ru kala pynjari da ke korphiw miet ha katay katjuk ke thain. Kermen skem ba menta ke miet hi ngin la ban tek lakam ya kejing long jingman baro ong ubak Preston habakren syakilat patai kubor. Habakeli lakin penlong ni rengkat lang ya kejing toket halor kene kejing ja ubak Preston ulaong ya mentahi kampat don setia kebakum kata namar ki don ki katto kat ne ki kendon. Na keliang ke jong ngiru ngiladon katto kat nengut ki pulit ki balangat ha kejing mensau ba malu mala bat wat na keliang ki nong syong shnong ru kiladon katto kat nengut ki ba mensau. Henry kene kejing ja lamudui daka ejahar hapok police station ula benram. Habakentu ya ki nong syong shnong ban long jai jai bat burom ya kaan u sembut Menteri Rangba ulaong. Ya mentahi kejing kerpat na keliang ke jong ya laki jong ki brio kalong bakin long jai jai bat ban burom ya kaan namar la pynjari ya ka korphiw bat kim dei ban mi syabar Henry ban ailat ya ki bor pulit bakin tek lakam ya kejing long jiman baro hapo katan. Ulaong ru baya keni kejing jala shimkia da ki he officer ha ka kerdan chief secretary DGP DC bat SP.
In fact, what happened was in the morning time, through the understanding of both the police force from Assam as well as from Meghalaya, they allowed the residents of Lapangap to go to the paddy field to collect those produces which is due. I should say it is overdue also. And they started the job, but unfortunately after maybe 3 or 4 hours, again a group of people from Karbi side, they came in to that place, and ultimately the fight happened. Though the police were there, but unfortunately one of them succumbed to the disease, and the name of this fellow is Tamong or something. I don't get the detail, but it happened just because of the fight among themselves. So now, to make sure that things does not go out of control, government has decided to clamp the night curfew today, and curfew has been already clamped, and I came to know that even government of Assam has already clamped the curfew in that particular area, even from their side. So hopefully tonight we'll be able to control the situation. Well, the message is, in fact, because now the regional committee, joint regional committee has been constituted. From block 1, from the government side, we already made Sri Sngau Bhalandhar, Deputy CM, to look after this regional committee. And from the other side, again, I think one senior minister was also deputed to be the chairman of that regional committee. So we had a meeting with the chairman of the regional committee from this side. I suggested him that better you contact your counterpart, sit down, if need be, just go to the ground. Though the joint inspection is yet to take place, just go there and then make people understand. Because right now, this core issue happened just because of the boundary issue. It is because of it happens because this particular place is the area of the difference. If they were not there, both sides, I think bloodshed will happen. Move. They were there, very much were there, not only from Assam police, but even from Meghalaya police. They were there, but you understand, because see, when you are there, it's a big area, because that is a party field. It's a big area. So they did not even expect that these people will come in, because initially everything was going smoothly, but suddenly it happened like that. So right now, as I said to you, my only appeal is from our own people this side, Lapangap side, better to be cool and calm, and as of now, respect the law, because curfew has been already clamped. They should not come out, and let the police force take whole control of that area. Not only from Meghalaya side, we already had a discussion with the other side, with the counterpart, be it in the level of Chief Secretary, be it in the level of DGP, and be it in the level of the SP and DC. I think that also is one of the issue. We really wanted to again carry on with the inspection, joint inspection, but unfortunately, sometimes, when we requested from our side, from Assam, they are not free. And again, now I think Assam, they are fully busy with the preparation of their election, because election will be held next year. So, these are the issues where ultimately we can't reach to the convenient time. Then ultimately, till today, we are not able to conduct the joint inspection as mandated by the joint office.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.